wanted to share with you 3 tips that I think are really important for all renters right now in Dade County. In my recent experience, I find that at least 80% of renters today are paying below market rent. So my tip to you are 3 things. One is, if you're paying below market rent, make sure that you pay your rent on the first of every month and never be late. If you're late, you're only going to be asking for the landlord to start considering finding a different tenant. Number 2, make sure that you take care of any little repair that needs to get done. Now you might be thinking, yeah, but it's not my property, it's up to the landlord. Sure, it is, but I promise you, chances are you're paying below market rent. So it's in your best interest to keep the landlord happy, and I promise you, you're saving way more money than the cost of that repair. Number 3 is that if you're paying below market rent, you absolutely have to be saving money, because your alternative, if your landlord all of a sudden says, hey, I'm gonna need the property back, you're going to be paying likely hundreds of dollars extra per month. So for the time being, my advice to you is pay rent on time, take care of any little repairs, and save the difference. And make sure that you buy whatever you can buy as soon as you can buy it, and become a property owner, because that's the beginning of building wealth.